What's up, everybody? It is Larry here, and I am with the gorgeous Carla. What's up, Carla?
Hi there.
I'm good, thank you. She has beautiful, gorgeous locks. Now, Carla, what kind of locks are these?
These are sister locks.
Okay, and what's the difference between sister locks and a regular lock?
The size of the lock and the technique that they use.
With Flawless, whether you have protective styles, braids, or locks, we have products that are great for you. So Carla, have you ever heard of a soothing scalp tonic?
I have not.
Scalp tonics are intended for freshening your scalp in between shampoos. Another great thing that I love under the Flawless umbrella is the Flawless Restoring Exotic Oil Drops. Keeps your scalp super moisturized, and the thing that I love about it the most is that it's really, really light. Ready to go?
I'm ready.
Okay, cool. Okay, Carla, so now that you're braided and snatched up, we're gonna build the foundation for the height with the base of your locks around your ponytail that's up here. All right, Carla, so I cannot let you get out of here without hitting your edges with a little edge control.
Okay.
Our Flawless Edge Control is infused with rice oil complex and biotin. Okay, Carla, you ready to see the reveal?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh my God! Look at this! I love it!
I mean, just
Look at this baby here. Oh
gorgeous.
my God.
Everybody, you can't see the back, but I'll show everybody at home the back. You have this beautiful underneath braid that goes into the crown that is fit for a queen. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and the gorgeous Carla. Carla, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please make sure you follow us at Flawless by GU for more fun content and tutorials. I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.